Hi, this is going to be a quick review on the television mounting bracket hardware for an RV. Okay, when we got our RV, I called up a friend of ours and said, hey, we finally pulled the trigger and got us an RV. And he said, oh, great, I need to tell you something. One of the first things you're going to want to do is put a television in it. And when you do that, always get a television mounting bracket that will swing out and move the way you want it to, but will also lock back in place, because the back of the RV going down the road is like an earthquake and it will tear things up if you don't. I didn't even ask him for advice. I didn't even say, hey, we're going to get a television thing or anything. Nothing. First words out of his mouth, great, let me tell you what you need to do. And I am so glad he did, because he's absolutely right. When you're going down the road, this thing here just bounces all over the place. And if you don't lock it back in place, it will either tear up the television or the bracket or the wall or something like that. I've heard horror stories about people getting to their destination and now their brand new television is on the floor and it's now their brand new radio because the picture doesn't work anymore. That was his exact words. Anyway, so we got one and we're really happy with it. Let me show you how it works. It's a real simple device and it's got a lock back here, and what you do is you push this thing all the way back until it catches that little lock there, and you can either push real hard and it'll lock, which that's what I did just then, or you can give it a little push and pull down at the same time. But that time it just snapped into place. Now it doesn't move around, it doesn't do anything. I highly recommend you getting one of those. There's a link, and they're not that expensive. You need to buy one. If you're thinking about putting a TV in your RV, you've got to get a locking television mounting bracket. Okay, you have to.